Hey folks, so what I wanted to show you today is a new feature inside of Photoshop called Rotate Object. So here I have a picture of a city center and I want to see what it's going to look like for us to add a new statue out front here. I'm just going to select this statue, copy it, and I'm going to paste it right into here. Resize this to where I want to put it in here, and then remove background. And this already is looking pretty good, but it isn't quite matching the shadows, and I also want it to have an angle to it. Not to worry, because if I just select this and I select transform, what I can do is I have this new rotate object feature that allows me to then drag to rotate this and just look at it. It catches all the different angles so I can choose what angle I want this to be. We'll put it right there and I can just click on done. And this is going to render a high resolution version of my image right inside of this here. Want to click on Harmonize, and this is going to blend this image to match the lighting, match the shadows, to blend it all together. And there you go. It looks awesome. And that is Rotate Object inside of Photoshop Beta, as well as Harmonize. Great ways to be able to have the precision as you're editing your images.